A message to graduate students. Your sweet memories will forever remain in our hearts. Despite some hard tasks, sadnesses, and grief that you have encountered in the course of your study in this university, at the end of it all, you've completed this part of the journey with great achievements and beautiful memories. I am honored to say we are proud of your many achievements over the years and your various accomplishments. Your brilliant achievements are highly acknowledged. Allow me to thank you for the uncommon passion you have demonstrated towards your studies, in your relation with the teachers, with the management, with the junior students, and even among yourselves. Indeed, you have shown to us all that you came from a good home and you have left behind a very good legacy for the junior and incoming students to follow. Finally, I would like to ask you all to always see yourselves as good representatives of Knowledge University and never allow selfish interest to blemish the honesty you have cultivated over the years in this great university. Be kind and good to people you meet on your way. Think big and be optimistic in whatever you are doing, because the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Remember, life is just beginning and the best is yet to come. Thank you.